Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Carlos, and I'm very happy you're here again.
And I'm Jen. Thank you for joining us for Ep.2. In this podcast, we help you learn English with simple, real conversations. We speak slowly, clearly, and we explain useful words for your daily life.
Today's topic is talk about your day in English.
Yes, this is a very common topic. You can talk about your day when you meet a friend, when your teacher asks you, or when you're practicing English.
So today, we will show you how to describe your day in a simple and natural way.
Part 1. Talking about your daily routine.
Let's start with a simple daily routine. Here is an example. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. Then I go to work. After work, I relax, have dinner, and watch TV. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Very good. Now let's explain some key phrases. Wake up means open your eyes in the morning. Get out of bed means stand up from your bed. Brush my teeth means clean your teeth. Have breakfast means eat in the morning. Go to work or go to school is your daily activity. Relax means rest and do something easy. Go to bed means lie down to sleep.
These phrases are basic and very useful. You can use them every day.
Part 2. Carlos talks about his day.
Carlos, can you tell us about your typical day? Of course. My day starts at 6:30 a.m. I wake up, drink some water, and take a shower. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and bread. After that, I start working on the podcast. In the afternoon, I go for a walk or go to the gym. In the evening, I cook dinner, watch a movie, and study English. I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Nice! That's a great example of a simple daily routine.
Thanks. And now, let's explain some useful words. Usually means something you do most of the time. Afternoon is the time after lunch. Evening is time after sunset before you go to bed. Around means not exact, but close to a time.
Part 3. Jen talks about her day.
Okay, Jen, now it's your turn. Tell us about your day.
Sure. My day starts at 7 a.m. I wake up, make coffee, and read for a few minutes. Then I teach English classes. In the afternoon, I go shopping or meet a friend. In the evening, I spend time with my family, cook dinner, and relax. Before bed, I like to listen to music or write in my journal.
Very good. Let's explain a few vocabulary words. For a few minutes means a short amount of time. Shopping means buying things at a store or market. Relax means rest, calm down. Journal means a notebook where you write your thoughts.
Part 4. Talk about morning, afternoon, and night.
To talk about your day, you can divide your day into 3 parts. Morning, from when you wake up until noon. Afternoon, from noon until evening. And evening, after sunset, before you go to bed.
Here are easy examples. Morning. I wake up, take a shower, and have breakfast. Afternoon. I work, study, or go to the gym. Evening. I cook dinner, watch TV, and relax.
You can use this structure to talk about your day very easily.
Part 5. Adding details about your day.
If you want to make your answer a little longer, you can add details like, I wake up early. I go to work by bus. I eat lunch with my coworkers. I study English in the afternoon. I call my friends in the evening. I sleep late.
Yes, and here are more simple details. I drink coffee every morning. I check my phone when I wake up. I listen to music on the way to work. I exercise 3 times a week. I watch videos before bed.
Part 6. Mini dialogue. Listen and repeat.
Let's do a short practice conversation. Repeat after us.
How was your day?
My day was good.
What did you do today?
I woke up, had breakfast, and went to work.
What did you do in the evening?
I relaxed and watched a movie.
Part 7. Vocabulary review. Easy definitions.
Wake up. Open your eyes in the morning. Shower. Wash your body with water. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Meals of the day. Work. Study. Things you do during the day. Relax. Rest and do something easy. Evening is the late part of the day. Sleep. Rest at night.
Part 8. Practice questions for students. Now it's your turn. Try to answer these questions. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What do you do in the evening? What do you do to relax? What time do you go to bed?
You can write your answers, say them out loud, or practice with a friend.
Thank you for listening to Episode 2 of the Learn English Channel podcast.
We hope this episode helps you talk about your day in English with confidence.
If you enjoyed this lesson, follow us and listen to the next episode.
See you next time, and keep learning English every day.
Bye!
Bye!